guys, welcome to our new building, 9009 Benbrook Boulevard, right off of 377 here. Come take a look at what we got going on. So we're in the demo phases. As you can see, this is the last area to be demoed. This will be what we call our reception area here. We'll have a receptionist here with a miniature showroom of some of the stuff that we're doing. If you follow me this way, Raul, this is the shell of the building. We got it gutted out. There'll be some offices here, a restroom, and over here, this will be our conference room where we'll hold conferences. Even you let businesses come in and rent it if they need a conference room for the day, something like that. If we go on this way, we'll have some awesome office landing pads here for our team members to come in and do some work when they're on this side of town. We'll have a main office here and a restroom, and then we'll have a podcast room for our new podcast coming out. Stay tuned.